Hi everyone, you're welcome to Nail Connect. It's all about nail design and art. Thank you. So this is a marble nail hack, a very beautiful one. So with here, I went in with a normal nail, and I applied a black gel. Yeah, I wanted it so deep, so I have to go it over and over again to get what exactly I was looking for. Yeah. Okay, so this is the exact color I was looking for. Yeah, so deep so that the marble can, pop out very well. Yes, after this, I dried it and I applied a top coat for the marble design. So with the top, so after applying the top coat, I did not dry it. Please take notes. I did not dry it. So these are the colors I'll be using for my marble design. I choose black and white. So yeah, I went in with a flat brush, and because I did not dry the top coat after applying the color on the nail, and it's looking so flexible, moving by itself with no much stress. You don't have to go in with much stress spreading it. It was so easy spreading it by itself because of the top coat. So you can spread it in the way you want it, like how you want it. This is how I want it. Yeah, very little. Yeah, okay. So I went it with a pigment. I chose this color. It's very beautiful, very bright in color. So that's to be, more nice and attracting. You get it? With the application of the color pigment, I use the fluffy brush, not a flat brush, please. A fluffy brush. Yeah, so this is the fluffy brush I used. Yeah, and I chose these colors. Yeah, I wanted to brighten colors so that black has to get something brighten and so it can pop out. So I chose these colors. And there is one thing I forgot I didn't say. After applying the white and black for the marble, I dried it only for 10 seconds so that the colors that the color pigment that I will apply to will stick into it. If you dry it like the normal drying we do dry it for it to dry it properly, the color pigment might not stick into it and you might not get the color you are looking for. So I dried it very for just 10 seconds so that I can the colors can stick into it. So here I was done with the color application. Yeah, I dusted everything, the excess around it. So this is what came out. I have to apply my top coat and dry everything up. Yeah. So this is exactly what I was looking for. So beautiful. The colors were popping out and stuff. So thanks you all for watching. Thank you so much. Love you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Mwah! Love you all.